it's nice to have Careers Week full stop, just to have a little step back from the code and be able to catch up on all your other stuff. But yeah, it's been really, really like helpful. I personally, I've had jobs working mainly for like charities and schools and stuff, so I've never worked in an actual corporate sector. So it's been nice to learn sort of, well, first of all, what skills are transferable, and all the bits and pieces that you thought were not going to matter at all in the new job, you realise are really relevant, and all the team skills and social skills and everything can go across. But then it's been really nice for them to sort of build on the basics, like how to structure a CV, how to structure a cover letter, basically building brand so that people choose you out of a list of candidates.
So we had 3 presentations in the past 3 or 4 weeks by 3 different hiring partners. And they were really interesting actually, because they were from organizations that were of very different scales. We had Brentwood, which is, a team of I think 17 people in the tech team, and then BJSS, which has got like hundreds. And then we had a small startup, I think it's called Enable AI, which is only 2 people that have set it up. So we really kind of, even if it was only 3 presentations, we've really been able to see like a really broad range of organizations that we might be able to work for.
Now that we had the Careers Week as well, I updated my LinkedIn, because I created a LinkedIn page, I think 1 year or 2 years ago, but I never even posted a profile picture. But now that we had Careers Week, I updated it, right, and just connected with all my colleagues, right, so that we actually to build like a support net as well with them.
Definitely feels like you need to make yourself stand out more than perhaps 5 years ago or 10 years ago. But I think that's the nature of the industry, of course, and that's also really useful, to be honest with you, to think about what you want, because building my portfolio or my CV has not only been useful to think about selling myself and finding a job, but actually it's been really useful to think about what I can be good at and what are my strengths and what are my weaknesses, and what will be a good organization to work for, rather than just jump into something because I've been offered a job. It feels a bit more thoughtful, and it feels like having Careers Week right now, between back-end and front-end, rather than at the very end of the course, is going to be really useful, because it means that we're going to have these kind of thoughts in the back of our mind constantly in the next weeks, and kind of steer maybe towards a certain direction a bit more while we do our projects and while we develop our last our 3 weeks group project.